Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube video. My name is Isla, and today I'm going to be doing a lot of stuff involving slime. My parents hate slime, so I will be getting rid of some of the slime, and I have a bunch of different slimes right in front of me, but you can't see them yet. We're going to go down the line, starting with unicorn poop slime. I'm going to just do that so you can see what exactly is going on down here. You won't be able to see my face, but here I am. I'm still here. But before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell so that way you never miss another video. So, we are going to start off the unicorn slime, like I said. So you can take a look at the bottle. I have two of them here. Just take a look and then just get to opening. So I have opened these before, and it's a type of slime that, hold on, sounds like this.
It's gross.
Yeah.
All of it.
So, slimes that sound like this are most likely the ones that I'm going to throw away after this video because they aren't my favorite types, and I also have better slimes. So, trying to open this slime. Okay, this is probably the one I didn't open, saying that I am opening it right now. But the other unicorn slime I have opened. So okay, stay. Oh God, that's her. Okay, this is normally the slime they use to make like galaxy slime and stuff like that. Okay, I got it all out. I'm actually surprised that I did that. So, here, I'll leave that out so you know which one we are doing. And this is like a galaxy slime. And it's the type of slime you would use
Can I ask you a very important question?
Why are we doing it on the table?
Why are you putting slime on my bare table?
Can you hand me a garbage bag?
Does it look like I did? Maybe you should take a quick commercial break.
Commercial break. Watch the slime jiggle. And or listen to the football game behind me. And commercial break is over. I am back with a garbage bag. So that way, you're not getting first slime on the table. Do-do-do-do-do. Let's just pick you up and all of your little friends too. You have left. Okay, let's just scooch these slimes back, and yes, so get back to slime cam. And the camera fell. I balance? Okay, here we go. Here we are. We have our slime. I should probably get some tape, but whatever. And there we go. So this is the slime that we have in front of us. As you can see, the bottle right here. And it is this blue, purple, and pink slime that is very jiggly, as you can see. Like I said, it's the type of slime they use for Galaxy Slime that you buy in stores. So that's basically it for this slime for now. We'll come back to this slime a little later. And none of the slime in this video is sponsored, I should say that now. But jiggle. Okay, I really like just jiggling the slime because it's so jiggly. It's like Jello. If Jello were a slime, this is it. If Jello was a slime, this would be it. Okay, so I'm going to put this away, so enjoy watching me put this away. If you guys want to see more slime videos in the future, please leave a like because I really want to do more slime videos. However, my parents don't want me because
I don't like slime.
Yeah, that just says it all. But I am the exact opposite. I love slime. Go in. Go. Okay. Now that this is finally back in, it is time for Jurassic Park slime. This slime is the same type of slime as you just saw here.
Jurassic Park.
This is the same type of slime you saw right before this, as you can hear. And I will now prove that by taking it out of the bottle. There. Go. Oh, yeah. Unopened.
Who's hungry? Are you hungry?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Jack, are you hungry?
A little bit.
Cooper, are you hungry?
He's always hungry.
Yeah.
Gah! Come on, open.
Lila.
Yeah?
Oh, never mind your video. Sorry.
What?
Oh, after what you wanted to eat. Oh, stop.
Okay. Still no luck with opening this thing. Okay, there we go. This thing's hard to open. I'm just gonna put all of our garbage off to the side here. And
After the Steelers, it was ugly, yes. It was typical Cincinnati Pittsburgh football, yes. But it was a win, yes. And the Steelers right now, given all the injuries and things that they've had to go through from an adversity point of view, will take it any way they can get it. And they got it on the strength of 3 Chris Boswell field goals and a good drive by Declan Hodges. Bob Pompiani and Chris Hope are here from Mike Tomlin coming up. But first, the trending question, who's your quarterback? For me, and I think this is a week-to-week thing right now, they needed a spark, they needed to go to Hodges, and I would roll that into next week, too. And it's a week-to-week thing. I'm going to anyone at this point, because they're both young quarterbacks, but I have to stick with Duck Hodges. You?
Here we are. Same type of slime. This one is a little thicker, I would say, but same type, I would say. Isn't that pokey like most slimes like this? It is very metallic though, and I like that. And I think metallic slime is really cool. After this, we do have some Nickelodeon slime, and the Nickelodeon slime is probably my favorite out of all of the slime. And yeah. So I am gonna put this back because there's not much to say about this slime. Because I basically cleared it all. Like, this is like this type of slime they make. Galaxy slime, store-bought Galaxy slime. But yeah, so yeah, I'm just gonna put it away now. Yeah.
Can I borrow you to get some chicken?
What?
What kind of chicken do you want? Smoky applewood herb or smoky ranch? Ranchero. Spicier.
First option.
Smoky applewood.
Yes. Could I have a little bit of both, actually?
Which one?
Both of the little bit of both of the chicken.
There's 3 chickens.
Oh, the 2 that you mentioned to me.
The applewood in the ranchero or the applewood in the herb?
The applewood and the ranchero.
Ranchero is a little spicier, are you sure?
Yeah. Yeah, I want to try
Okay.
the spicy food. Okay. And now that is put away. Time for the Nickelodeon slimes, my favorite. And there is a wide variety of Nickelodeon slimes. I have 4 Nickelodeon slimes for you guys today. We have watermelon slime, cotton candy. I have used all these before, so the cotton candy is a little different because I mixed it up. It used to look like that, but I have mixed it up, so now it's this like light baby blue and mint, and finally just normal plain pink slime. And I think I will start with the normal pink slime. Really nice slime. Oh, my food. Thank you. I'll get that after the video.
Okay. I'm gonna make some space for the mashed potatoes.
Ooh, mashed potatoes. So we have some normal pink, very vibrant pink slime from Nickelodeon. This is probably one of my favorites. It's very squishy. It's not that pokey, unlike some of the other slimes we will get into in a little bit. So yeah, it's really stretchy. It does break a little bit when you like mush it like this, but it is really good slime overall. I really like the color and the squishiness, and it's not that bouncy, but it's still really cool. So that's basically it for the pink Nickelodeon slime. I also have a blue one of these, but since I thought I already have pink, I'm not going to do both because the only difference is color. Same with the 2 previous slimes I did, where I had 2 of them, but like what's the point in showcasing both of them when they're both the same? Yeah, that is it for this pink Nickelodeon slime. Yeah. Now, out of the larger Nickelodeon slimes, the watermelon is my favorite. It's also scented watermelon. This one is a little hard to get out, so I'm not going to get out the whole thing.
Are you serious? No one's ever made a face like that out of a carrot. Okay, well, then you get
This is really nice slime. It's a vibrant pinkish red, and it has these little they have these little cubes in them. I forget what they're called.
Different kinds of chicken.
But yeah, it's really good slime. It's a lot stretchier than the other slime, and it doesn't tear as easily.
Had that before. That's good. That's a little better.
Really squishy, and it's nicely scented watermelon, obviously, because it's watermelon slime. I got this at a Five Below, so at a nearby Five Below you can pick it up and have fun with it, and it's a really good texture, and it's really nice. So I do really recommend, if you buy slime, buy one of the larger Nickelodeon slimes that I am going to show you guys today. So I'm just going to put you back so we can do the rest. And later we are going to try to mix up a little bit of all these slimes. So stay tuned for that. So that is the watermelon slime, and it's really good slime. I recommend it. Next is the cotton candy slime. It's a little different than what it shows on the picture because I have used this slime before. This is not the first time I have played with the cotton candy slime. The cotton candy slime is a little sticky, so I'm going to mainly leave it in the jar, but it is also very, very stretchy. The smell isn't exactly cotton candy. It's a little stronger than what cotton candy smells like. It's a really strong scent. There are a bunch of beads at the bottom, but like, ow, that really hurts. Yeah, it just hurts to get one bead out from the bottom, so I'm not gonna get them all mixed around because they'll just sink back down again. And
okay, let's not carry around the computer.
Oh gosh, Cooper.
Thanks, Cooper. Did it run out of batteries? Yeah.
Okay, so that was the cotton candy slime. I really like this slime. It is a little sticky, but that might just be mine. I don't know exactly for sure.
Kyle, I need you to eat now, please.
Okay. I will see you after.
You can finish the video after and just edit it.
Yeah. So I will see you after the commercial break. Okay, I am back and I have the finale right here. So this is the best mixture of slime I've ever done, and after this I'm probably gonna throw it away, but if not, I will keep it or give it to my elves. And if you know who my elves are, leave a like, and there will be more videos. I know I haven't posted about them in a while, but that's because we didn't want to. We just didn't want to for a day or two. But tomorrow we will be back to posting them daily, and there will be no posting over the weekends because I'm not here on the weekends. Long story, not really, but just I'm not gonna get into it. So I'm not here on the weekends. I have stuff on the weekend. But this is really strange slime. Okay, I am gonna try. I really. Yeah, no. Oh, that smells terrible. I was gonna mix it in, then I realized no, it smells terrible and it's like pancake. But now it is time for the testing. First up is a stretch. So let's stretch it. And
now they're coming back. I believe that Mason Rudolph will get the reins again. He'll come in, have a good week of preparation. Hopefully they can keep it quiet, no drama leading up to this game, and come out throwing the ball.
Plus, there's Cleveland in town, and you wonder how he's going to react. I'm sure he is really
okay.
chomping at the bit,
So,
especially against that team with all the controversy that happened. But sometimes you can be overly excited too.
This is about how long slime has stretched. It is not too long at all compared to other slimes in this video, but it's still stretched really long for slimes that have, for a mixture of slime that has slimes like this that aren't really that stretchy. But I think it's from the stickier slimes, because the stickier slimes are normally the stretchier slimes. Yeah, so that is the first test completed. Now it's time for the bouncy test. So let's just go, and then I'm gonna rate it on a scale of 1 to 10. Okay, I'm gonna rate that a 7. No, 6.5, because it did bounce, but not like bounced high. Okay, next was like decoration, how well they say it. And I think scale of 1 to 10, that's like 9.5. I mean, it's only 1. So that's a 9.5. Next is smell, which I'm not looking forward to because it has cotton candy, which didn't smell like cotton candy at all. I frankly didn't really like it. But there's also mint, which was my favorite, and I think it will be the strongest scent out of the 3. And then there's also watermelon, which didn't really smell like watermelon, but I still like the smell. The rest just smelled like slime, chemicals. I know some of these slimes are made out of mainly these types of slimes, the really jiggly ones. Same with these. It might just be like normal slime made with borax. But R.I.P. my nose. If I mix this pink slime in, oh my god, my nose would fall off. and like run across the world and blast off into a faraway galaxy. What is that banging? I don't know. But I'm in the middle of a video. It's not bad. I mean, I smell a little bit of all the smells. But I mainly smell the mint because that was the strongest smell there. Yeah, I smell the watermelon too. I don't really smell the cotton candy. Okay, the main reason why I probably smell the watermelon is because of the cube. The cube probably, well, it definitely has some of the scent left over from the watermelon. And that is going to conclude today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.